Okay kids, so coming to the very last 3 topics of the chapter, that is redox reaction. Redox reaction contains 2 parts, oxidation and reduction. Okay, oxidation and reduction, they together form redox reaction. Now what is oxidation and what is reduction? Oxidation is the process in which a substance gains oxygen elements and reduces hydrogen elements. ठीक है, अगर कोई भी एक सब्सटेंस है उसमें हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट गेन होता है और ऑक्सीजन एलिमेंट गेन होता है और हाइड्रोजन एलिमेंट लूज होता है, सो दैट रिएक्शन इज नोन एज ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन. एंड अपोजिट, हाइड्रोजन गेन होता है एंड ऑक्सीजन रिलीज होता है. ठीक है, लॉस ऑफ ऑक्सीजन एंड गेन ऑफ हाइड्रोजन इज नोन एज रिडक्शन रिएक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं देती हूँ आपको H2 plus O2 gives H2O. So here see, oxygen is added to hydrogen. Okay, wait, we'll take one more example. Okay, here hydrogen was not released, that is why I am taking one more example. Suppose Cu plus O gives you CuO. Here oxygen is added, so this is oxidation reaction. Whenever either oxidation oxygen is added or hydrogen is released, that type of reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Now coming to the second example, I'll take suppose CuO plus H2. Okay, that will give you Cu plus H2O. ठीक है, CuO plus H2, that will give you H2O. So see here, oxygen is released. आप यहाँ देख रहे हो ऑक्सीजन जो है वो रिलीज हो रहा है. So this is reduction reaction. Okay, I should have written it here. Suppose CuO plus H2, it will give Cu plus H2O. So यहाँ पे ऑक्सीजन जो है वो रिलीज हो रहा है. So that is why this is reduction reaction. Whenever oxygen is added, तो oxidation, or oxygen is released, so that is reduction. Now if nothing is given to you, neither oxygen nor hydrogen, then how will you say that that is oxidation or reduction? Suppose I have given you element Mg3+, correct? If it is getting oxidation, if it is getting oxidized, then the electron will be released. ऑक्सीडेशन होगा तब हमेशा एक इलेक्ट्रॉन लॉस होगा. ठीक है, वेयर एज आई विल राइट ऑक्सीडेशन मीन्स रिलीज ऑफ इलेक्ट्रॉन. वेयर एज अगर रिडक्शन होगा, सपोज Mg2+ है प्लस इलेक्ट्रॉन हो रहा है, तो दिस बिकम Mg3+. सो दिस इज रिडक्शन. रिडक्शन मीन्स gain of electron. Okay, so these 3 criteria are there on the basis of which oxidation and reduction is differentiated. Oxidation means gain of oxygen and loss of hydrogen. Reduction means gain of hydrogen and loss of oxygen. But if in any of the equation oxygen and hydrogen is not there, only single substance is there, single element is there, at that time if the electron is lost, then that is oxidation reaction, and if the electron is gained, then that is reduction reaction. Now next is corrosion. What exactly is corrosion? Corrosion is slow eating up of metals. Slow eating up of metals due to air or moisture, that is known as corrosion. ठीक है, जब भी मेटल्स जो होते हैं वो खराब हो जाते हैं बिकॉज ऑफ एयर एंड मॉइस्चर, that is known as corrosion. And corrosion of iron is known as rusting. Corrosion of iron is known as rusting, means you can say Fe plus moisture plus H2 plus oxygen, it will give you rust. And the formula of rust is FeO, Fe2O3 into XH2O. This X can be n number of water elements. It can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 9, 10. ठीक है, but Fe2O3 dot means into XH2O. This is the formula for rust. Okay, so what is corrosion? Corrosion is slow eating up of metals due to the action of air and moisture is known as corrosion. In case of iron, corrosion is known as rusting. So what happens in rusting is a black brown color substance is formed on the iron. So now this rust is formed on the iron and this rust is known as Fe2O3 into XH2O. Now what is the advantages of corrosion? Corrosion के भी advantages होते हैं बेटा. क्या advantage होते हैं कि corrosion is when aluminium, okay, advantage is only in aluminium metal कि when aluminium is exposed to air, ठीक है, जब वो एल्यूमिनियम एयर के एक्सपोज्ड होता है, सो एल्यूमिनियम के आसपास एक ऑक्सीजन का लेयर बन जाता है. ठीक है, सपोज ये आपका एल्यूमिनियम है, ठीक है, तो एल्यूमिनियम के ऊपर है ना एक एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड करके Al2O3 एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का एक लेयर बन जाता है, जिसकी वजह से एल्यूमिनियम खराब नहीं होता. ठीक है, सो एडवांटेज इज ओनली इन एल्यूमिनियम मेटल कि जब भी एल्यूमिनियम इज एक्सपोज टू एयर, तो एल्यूमिनियम के आजू बाजू एक Al2O3 मतलब एल्यूमिनियम ऑक्साइड का लेयर बन जाता है, जो लेयर एल्यूमिनियम को प्रोटेक्ट करता है. ओके, एंड लास्ट टॉपिक ऑफ द चैप्टर इज रेंसिडिटी. Last topic of the chapter is rancidity. Rancidity says that when oils or fats they get oxidized. When oils and fats, when they are exposed to air, they get oxidized. ठीक है, because of which the food become stale. Okay, the food become stale and tastes and smells bad. ठीक है, what is rancidity? When oils and fats exposed to air, they oxidize and the food becomes stale and gives bad smell and taste. That is known as rancidity. ठीक है, and how can we prevent rancidity? By adding antioxidants in the food, by keeping the food in refrigerator, and by storing the food in airtight containers. So we studied 3 topics today. First, redox reaction. Redox reaction are of 2 types, oxidation and reduction. Oxidation means adding of oxygen and release of hydrogen. Reduction means addition of hydrogen and release of oxygen. If oxygen and hydrogen are not given, then oxidation means release of electron and reduction means gain of electron. Now coming to corrosion. Corrosion is slow eating up of metals when they are exposed to air or moisture. Corrosion of iron is known as rusting. ठीक है, and the rust formed during rusting is given by the formula Fe2O3 into XH2O. And the advantage of corrosion on aluminium is when aluminium is exposed to air, it forms Al2O3, aluminum oxide layer outside the aluminium, which protects the aluminium from further damage. And last, rancidity. What is rancidity? When oils and fats are exposed to air, they get oxidized and the food becomes stale and gives bad smell and taste. That is rancidity. And how can we prevent rancidity? First, using antioxidants. Second, by refrigerator. And third, by putting the food in airtight container. With this, we have completed our chapter. In the next Zoom class, we will be discussing the question answers.